Hey there, fellow travelers and rewards enthusiasts. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you know that anniversaries can be a big deal. Think bonus points, perks, and maybe even a little celebration for your loyalty. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to find your Chase Sapphire anniversary date, step by step. This is super useful for maximizing your rewards, so let's dive right in. First off, why does this matter? The anniversary date is typically the date your card was opened, and for cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, it often triggers annual bonuses or fee waivers. Knowing this date helps you plan your spending and benefits effectively. To get started, you'll need to log into your Chase online account. If you don't have one, download the Chase app or head to their website and sign up. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Account Summary section. Here, look for your Chase Sapphire card. It should be listed with key details. Now, scan for the anniversary date. It's often labeled as Account Open Date or something similar right next to your card information. If you can't spot it immediately, click on the card for more details. It might be in the Statement or Rewards tab. Pro tip: check your first statement or any welcome emails from Chase, as they sometimes include this info. If you're still having trouble, don't worry, Chase has great customer support. Give them a call or chat online. They can pull up your account details in seconds. Remember, accuracy is key, so double-check any dates you find. Once you've got your anniversary date locked down, mark it on your calendar. Use it to your advantage, like timing big purchases for bonus points. That's it for today's quick guide. Staying on top of your rewards game has never been easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy chasing.